Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to customize your home screen on iOS. So the home screen here will be the screen that you are seeing right now. So to customize this, if you want to remove several applications from your home screen so that your home screen will not gonna crowd it, it's just so simple. You just need to pick which application that you want to remove. So let's say I would like to remove this PS Express. So you just need to click and hold this PS Express until the application start to be shaking, and now you just need to go click this minus buttons right here. You can go click this remove from home screen and those application will be hidden. So if you want to add the widgets on your home screen, so let's say you want to add a clock on your home screen, just go click this plus button and you will have an access to the widget that you can use. To have a clock, go click this clock and you can choose which clock that you want to have for your home screen. And after you found it, you just need to go click this add widget, and now you already have a widget on your home screen. You can do anything or do the rest just the same. If you want to remove the application, just go click this minus button and then hide your application. Whenever you're done, you can just click the blank space on your home screen, and here we go. So that's the way how to customize your home screen on iOS. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.